Wonder why I'm in a curtain shop? Well, this is not just curtains. These are fire retardant fabrics that could be used within events, within your set design, within your props where you want to have absolute fire retardancy, and I'll show you the proof of that level of fire retardant. But let me show you first all the colors. Everything that you're seeing here is about a mix of approximately 500 types of options in colors, because you can literally go into the exact color specification, giving your Pantone shades, and they would match the color for you, not just a selection from the catalog. This is about 15-20 odd colors, but you can actually go into the entire spectrum. 95% cotton, 5% mixed with their rayon, and of course dipped and formatted into their unique mix, which makes it fire retardant. Now this treatment is quite an intense process, because they are going to show me now a real flame proof action by burning the thing in front of me. Let's check it out. Now this is a piece of their fabric, and this is how I'm going to test the fire retardance. You can see it. There's a flame on it, and you see how quickly it just fizzles off. It doesn't catch the flame, which means it's flame retardant. So in case you have a situation where you have caused the fire with your tech, your fabrics are not going to burn, because this thing is not going to ever flame up. Of course, there's a limit to which it can withstand. There's every time different levels of certification, but this shows you what's possible with the fabrics, which means you're absolutely safe, out of the factory, ready to be deployed. No need to be paying for spraying and creating a temporary fire retardancy onto your fabrics. We just buy these kind of fabrics and then use them within your sets. So here's your net gauze. You can stretch it and use it as a screen. It's got a fairly good gain, but it's also used as your holographic screens within set designs where you want to reveal sudden projection and have things behind the fabric that has to be revealed, just like your net gauze would do. So here you see projection, of course the standard projection onto the net gauze. There's so much more, depends on your creativity. And within the fabrics again, you can see here they're using it as just as a view block. So you can have their black molten alternative, or obviously drapes or curtains that have to be done within the events. And that's some amazing tech on the Technologist.